pilots have inspired us to deliver exceptional experiences to travelers from every corner of the globe. Now please sit back, relax, and pay attention to this important safety presentation.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing Delta. The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority and the shared responsibility of everyone on board. So before we depart, please pay attention to this important message.
Stow all carry-on items in an overhead bin. Place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you, and stow larger electronic devices.
Handheld, portable electronic devices, including mobile phones, should also be secured. If you lose an electronic device, please do not adjust your seat. Ask a crew member for help. Keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear.
To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release, lift the top of the buckle.
Stay seated with your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. Even when the sign is off, please keep it fastened whenever you are seated. Rough air can happen without warning, and the crew may also need to buckle up for their own safety. We appreciate your understanding if our service is interrupted. Federal regulations require all customers to comply with all crew member instructions, along with the posted placards and lighted information signs throughout the cabin.
Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors.
There are 8 exits on this plane, 4 doors, 2 on each side, and 4 window exits, 2 over each wing. Each door has a detachable slide that can be used for flotation. Escape straps are located in overhead bins above each window exit, which can be used to assist in a water evacuation onto the wing. If you are wearing high heels, please remove them first to avoid damaging the slide. In case of an evacuation, follow crew instructions and leave all bags to avoid slowing the evacuation. All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. Locate the nearest exits, and remember, they might be behind you. If we lose power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above your seat and inside the lavatories. Reach up and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the back doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. For children under 35 pounds, place the vest around their waist and secure the strap between the legs. See your safety card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lap children are in marked compartments at the front and rear of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary.
Before takeoff, bring your seat to its upright position and stow your tray table. Ensure you fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap. Carry-on items are secured.
Information card in your seat pocket. As we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
As we get ready for takeoff, please settle in. And from all of our crew, we appreciate you and thank you for flying with Delta.
Thank you for paying attention to this important safety message.
You're flying our most connected aircraft to date, equipped with fast, free Delta Sync Wi-Fi and Delta Sync seatback, all available for free with your SkyMiles membership. Use your personal device to sign in to Delta Sync Wi-Fi and enjoy access to unlimited streaming, browsing, and messaging, plus exclusive offers and experiences from brands you love. simply switch your device to airplane mode and turn Wi-Fi on. Next, choose the deltawifi.com network. If the Wi-Fi sign-in page does not open, go to deltawifi.com using your browser. Sign in with your SkyMiles account. If you don't have a SkyMiles account, it's fast and free to sign up. But the connection doesn't stop there. Our Delta Sync seatback screen brings a smarter, more personalized experience right to your seat. We've got you covered with real-time travel updates and connecting flight information, plus thousands of hours of new movies and trending series with recommendations just for you. Pick up where you left off with our Resume Watching feature and add your favorites to My List. To access, click the Login button on the top right of the seatback screen. Then use your mobile device to scan the QR code and follow the instructions on the Fly Delta app to securely log in. Shortly after we've arrived at the gate, you'll be automatically logged out of your seatback screen. Make the most of your travel time and stay connected all flight long with Delta Sync.
careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during takeoff. For flight, please ensure you have all your personal belongings before deplaning. As we reach our gate, we invite you to use the Flight Delta app for important baggage and connection information. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback. We value and use your responses to improve your future travel experiences. On behalf of this Atlanta-based crew, thank you for choosing Delta. We appreciate you and look forward to serving you again soon. The gate we are arriving into today is gate number 78. That's gate number 78, and this is your final destination. You have bags to pick up here at baggage claim. You'll pick them up at baggage claim carousel number 32. That's baggage claim carousel number 32. We thank you again. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Flight attendants disarm doors for arrival cross-check, and I'll call